Hi everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I will be reviewing a laser hair removal handset. This is an IPL handset. This is basically a laser hair removal device that you can use at home. And these handsets are becoming very popular these days and these have become very common. So I thought of trying one out. So in this video, I'm going to talk all about this product, what it does, how to use it, how long does it take to get results. I started using it a couple of months ago. I used it on one of my legs and my underarms. Now this handset is from a brand called Stelly. They did contact me and they did send me this product, but this is not a sponsored video. The next thing is that you should only use this handset if you're 16 and above. You have to use this very responsibly. Please clear all your doubts about this product before you start using it, so that you do not harm your skin. A patch test is necessary before trying it out on any body part. IPL stands for Intense Pulsed Light. So basically this device emits light which is absorbed by melanin located in hair, and that light converts to heat, resulting in thermal damage to the hair follicle. This thermal damage will delay the hair growth, or it can also permanently destroy the hair follicle. This is the box in which you get the device. Before starting, I'd say that you flip the box and read this because it's very important. So the first thing is skin tone. This device does work on these skin tones. And then we get to hair color. This device will only show results if you have one of these hair colors. From Stelly's website, IPL works best on Fitzpatrick scale skin tone 1 to 4, and IPL treatment is most effective on dark hair. It's not effective on light, red or grey colored hair. You can use this device on any body part, but not close to your eyes. You have to protect your eyes from this device. You don't have to wear any type of glasses, just don't take it near your eyes. And while using it, do not look directly at the light. Let us unbox this and let me show you how to use this device. So it comes in a really nice minimal packaging. I really like the packaging. And on the inside you get a lot of things. First of all, I got this warranty card, I think, and then you have a how to use. You have to read this very carefully before using this device. You also get a guide. I'll recommend that you read this as well. Now this is what you get. You get a razor, then you get a power cord, and then this is the actual device. This is what it looks like. You can only use it when it's connected to the power cord. Before treating any body part, you have to make sure that you shave. Do not wax, do not use epilator or anything like that. You just have to shave. You want the hair follicle to be in your skin so that the device can target it. Once you've plugged it in, you have to press this green button, and then this is the intensity level, which is a very important part. You can set the intensity level according to your preference. If you have really sensitive skin, I'd say that you start with 2 or 3. Like if you have really fine hair, 3 is enough. Intensity level 3 is enough for you. If you have really thick hair, then I'd say go with 4. I haven't used it on 5. I think 4 is too much for me, so I haven't used this on intensity level 5. I used it on 4 for my underarms and 3 for my legs. I have really fine hair on my legs and my underarm hair is thick, so I have to use it on 4 for my underarms. If it's just starting, I'd say go with 2 or maximum 3, not more than that. You get 5 intensity levels in this: 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. I have used it till 4, and I personally feel comfortable between intensity 3 and 4. Press this green button once and the device starts. Then you can set the intensity by pressing the green button again and again. When the device starts, this is already on intensity 1. So let me press it once, and this is 2. Let me press it once again. This is 3. This is enough for me. So this device will only work when it's completely covered with skin. Once I cover it, the pink light starts blinking, which means this device is ready to use. Now all you have to do is press this button. Let me show you on this hand. You can see that the pink light is stable right now, but as soon as I place my hand on it, the light starts blinking, and now device is ready to use. So now all you have to do is press this big button. There is also a glide mode on this device. For this, you press the pulse button for 3 to 5 seconds, and that will send out continuous flashes to treat larger areas. Once you leave the button, the glide mode is deactivated. So this I feel was really helpful for my legs. For switching it off, you just have to press the green button for a couple of seconds. While using this device, you have to make sure that you do not use it on moles or freckles, and do not go on the same area more than 2 times. Also, when you start using this device, you have to use it once a week for 12 weeks. Now, most people begin to see results after about 3 to 4 sessions. There is like a reduction in hair growth, but you will require at least 12 treatments with this device if you want to get complete results. And the results also vary from person to person because of your hair density and the pattern of your hair growth. After completing your initial sessions, that is 12 treatments, if you do get desired results, then you just have to use it once every 3 months to maintain smooth hairless skin. One of the best things that I love about this device is that it's almost a painless process and it's so easy to do. I have tried hair removal creams, I have tried waxing, which is a waste of time and it's just waste of everything according to me, in my opinion. It also gave me really bad ingrown hair, so I just stopped waxing. And then I've also tried shaving. Shaving is something that I have been doing for a long time now, so that has become my preferred hair removal method. Now, compared to all this, I think this is the most easy method of hair removal. Obviously, it's going to take some time and you have to invest a certain amount of money in this product, but I think it's completely worth your time and the money. Now, how does it feel while you are treating your skin with this device? You just feel a little heat for a moment on the area that you are treating. So it's just like touching something warm. Well, not warm, I'd say something that's between warm and hot. It's way better than waxing or epilating, trust me. Once you're done with an area, you can just take a wet cloth and place it on, for example, if you have treated your leg, you can place it on your leg, or you can also apply some ice if you want to. I personally use aloe vera gel and I think that is enough. So I did about 5 sessions on one of my legs, then I just left it. I didn't shave it too. So I'm going to show you the results now. On this side, the hair growth is less compared to this leg. So you can clearly see the difference over here. This leg has way less hair growth and my hair feels very fine. And this is just 5 sessions, I think 4 or 5 sessions. I think I will get complete results for my legs in 12 sessions. I also did about 5 to 6 sessions on my underarms, but my legs did show better results than my underarms because my underarm hair is thick, so it's going to take some time to reduce it permanently. Also, you have to be consistent with this device, especially when you start using it. You have to use it at least once a week. Do not use it more than once a week because this only targets hair when it's in the growing phase. If you have thick hair, you will get slower results and you have to be consistent with this device. Now let's get to what I think about this product. I really like it and I will keep using it. Now, this is a really good product for me because I'm already shaving my hands, my legs. So why not pair it up with this and get some results? And the next thing is that you can do it at the comfort of your home. And the most important thing is the pricing. This is way more affordable than getting laser hair removal done at a clinic. The cost of this device is less than the cost of one clinical laser session. And you will need at least 5 to 6 sessions to reduce body hair permanently. So this is very cost effective. I was afraid of trying it out because first of all, this was a new thing and I have seen people get it done in clinics with professionals. So yes, I was kind of afraid of doing it at home all by myself. Things can go wrong with this too. If you use it on very high intensity for the very first time, you can get burns or blisters. I did burn an area on my leg and it took some time to heal. Do not apply a lot of pressure. Don't do this. That's what I did and now I have a scar. So I'd say that don't apply too much pressure while using it. Just place it like this normally and then press the button. Just don't use it very casually. That's all I have to say. If you guys are interested in this device, I'd say that you should check out Stelly because I think that their handset is a little bit more on the affordable side when it comes to laser hair removal handsets. So if you are interested in laser hair removal, you can check this out. And that's it. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.